Coolest kitchen gadgets that are worth buying. When it comes to enhancing your cooking experience, the right gadgets can make a world of difference. From saving time in meal prep to adding a touch of creativity in the kitchen, modern gadgets are designed to streamline processes and improve outcomes. Ziga Intelligent Cookware. Imagine being able to cook your meals to perfection without constantly monitoring the stove top. The Ziga Intelligent Cookware allows just that, transforming the way you approach cooking. This remarkable gadget uses advanced insulation technology to keep your food cooking even after being removed from heat. Once you've heated your dish on the stove, you simply place it in the Ziga pot, close the lid, and let the insulated design continue cooking your meal to optimal tenderness and flavor. This means you can spend less time hovering over the stove and more time enjoying your meal with family and friends. The benefits of the Ziga Intelligent Cookware go beyond just convenience. It promotes healthier cooking practices, as the slow cooking method allows flavors to melt beautifully while reducing the need for excessive oils or fats. Steam Cleaner and Dishwasher. Cleaning up after a meal can often feel like a daunting task, especially when faced with stubborn stains and greasy cookware. Enter the Steam Cleaner and Dishwasher, a revolutionary gadget that combines the power of steam cleaning with the convenience of a dishwasher. This multifunctional appliance uses high-pressure steam to effectively sanitize and clean a variety of surfaces, from your pots and pans to kitchen countertops. Its versatility means it can tackle not only your dishes but also kitchen appliances, leaving everything sparkling clean without the need for harsh chemicals. One of the standout features of the Steam Cleaner is its speed and efficiency. Within minutes, it can eliminate dirt, grime, and even bacteria, making your kitchen a healthier environment for food preparation. Foldable, reusable metal straw. In today's world, sustainability is more important than ever, and the foldable, reusable metal straw is a great step towards reducing single-use plastic waste. This eco-friendly gadget is not just practical, it's stylish and convenient. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these straws are durable and can withstand daily use without bending or breaking. The foldable design allows you to carry them anywhere, making it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages without harming the environment. Using the foldable, reusable metal straw is an experience in itself. It comes with a cleaning brush, ensuring that you can easily keep it hygienic after every use. These straws are perfect for everything from smoothies to iced coffees, providing a chic touch to your drinks. By incorporating these reusable straws in your daily routine, you contribute to a healthier planet while enjoying your beverages with flair. Geetle Food Chopper. Chopping vegetables and herbs can be a time-consuming task, especially when you want to create a meal in a hurry. The Geetle Food Chopper simplifies this process, turning what used to be a tedious chore into a quick and enjoyable experience. This gadget features a powerful chopping mechanism that allows you to dice, slice, and chop with ease. Simply place your ingredients in the chamber, pull the handle, and watch as the blades do the work for you. It's designed to handle everything from onions and garlic to hard vegetables like carrots and bell peppers. What makes the Geetle Food Chopper truly stand out is its versatility and efficiency. With multiple cutting options, you can choose how finely or coarsely you want your ingredients prepared. Benchtop Angle Set Knife Sharpener. Keeping your knives sharp is essential for any kitchen, and the Benchtop Angle Set Knife Sharpener makes this task simple and effective. This gadget features a precision sharpening system that allows you to set the desired angle for your knife blades, ensuring a consistent and professional sharpening every time. With just a few strokes, your dull knives can regain their edge, making food prep easier and safer. The Benchtop Angle Set Knife Sharpener isn't just easy to use, it's also built to last. Made from high-quality materials, this sharpener can handle a variety of knife types, from chef knives to paring knives. Kitchen Tour Clean Dirty Magnet. If you've ever been confused about whether your dishes are clean or dirty, the Kitchen Tour Clean Dirty Magnet is the perfect solution. This simple yet clever gadget is designed to stick to your dishwasher, providing a clear visual indication of the status of your dishes. With a simple flip, you can let everyone in the household know if the dishes are clean and ready to be put away, or if they still need to be washed. Not only does the Kitchen Tour Clean Dirty Magnet help avoid confusion, but it also adds a touch of personality to your kitchen. Viva Home Snow Cone Ice Crusher Machine. When the temperature rises, nothing beats a refreshing snow cone, and the Viva Home Snow Cone Ice Crusher Machine makes it easier than ever to create your own icy treats at home. This powerful machine can crush ice quickly and efficiently, providing the perfect texture for snow cones, slushies, and cocktails. Its sleek design and vibrant colors Make it a fun addition to any kitchen or backyard gathering, appealing to kids and adults alike. Using the Vivohome Snow Cone Ice Crusher machine is a breeze. Pure Air Fridge. Keeping food fresh is a top priority in any kitchen, and the Pure Air Fridge is designed to help you achieve just that. This innovative air purifier works within your refrigerator, eliminating odors, bacteria, and other contaminants that can affect the quality of your food. By promoting a cleaner environment, the Pure Air Fridge helps to extend the shelf life of your produce, dairy, and meats, ultimately reducing food waste and saving you money. The technology behind the Pure Air Fridge is impressive. It uses advanced filtration systems and UV light to neutralize unwanted odors and harmful microorganisms. Simply place it in your fridge and let it do the work. With the Pure Air Fridge, you can enjoy fresher food and a more pleasant kitchen experience. Plus, it's compact and energy efficient, making it a smart addition to any modern kitchen focused on sustainability. Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. No meal is complete without the perfect seasoning, and the Salt and Pepper Grinder Set takes your flavor game to the next level. This stylish set not only looks great on your kitchen table, but also allows you to grind your spices to the desired coarseness with ease. Many models come with adjustable settings, letting you switch from fine to coarse grinds in seconds, ensuring that your dishes are perfectly seasoned every time. The Salt and Pepper Grinder Set is more than just a kitchen tool, it's an experience. Freshly ground spices unlock a depth of flavor that pre-ground versions simply can't match. Tri-Pan Lid. Cooking often involves a balance of heat and moisture, and the Tri-Pan lid is designed to help you achieve that perfect balance. This innovative lid allows for adjustable venting, giving you control over how much steam is released while cooking. This is especially useful when making sauces, soups, or stews, as it helps prevent overflow while allowing your dishes to cook evenly. The design of the Tri-Pan lid is not only functional but also sleek and modern. It fits a variety of pan sizes, making it a versatile tool in your kitchen arsenal. Hello. Finally, we have the Hello, a unique kitchen gadget that takes cooking to a whole new level. This smart device acts as your personal kitchen assistant, providing you with recipes, cooking tips, and timers at your fingertips. Simply ask Hello for a recipe, and it will guide you through the cooking process step by step, making it a perfect companion for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs looking to try something new. The interactive nature of Hello makes cooking more fun and engaging. With voice commands and a sleek display, you can easily navigate through countless recipes and discover new meal ideas tailored to your preferences. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.